These are my CAD tips for those starting to learn FX CAD or AutoCAD that you might not know yet, but you really should. Let's jump in. Use polyline, not line or arc. It works the same, but allows for closed areas and for you to transition between line and arc seamlessly. Explode a polyline if later on you need the segments, and learn how to use P-Edit and MP-Edit. Avoid splines too. Spline can cause issues with other commands that polylines avoid. Get off the ribbon and use hotkeys for all of your common commands. Commands you need to stop using the icon for right now include OSNAP, Ortho, Polyline, Rectangle, Circle, Move, Copy, Erase, Explode, Rotate, Scale, Trim, Extend, Offset, and Fillet. Do you also want to add more hotkeys for your other most used tools? Check out the extra shortcuts we added to FX CAD 2018, or create your own with edit aliases. When in doubt, read the command line. It's always telling you what to do. Options in square brackets give you shortcuts in blue that you need to type and press enter in order to choose them. Options in the chevron brackets are the default option. Simply pressing enter will choose the default option. I find 3 OSNAP options to be the most common. Set your OSNAP settings to use only those snaps. Then, use Shift plus right-click while drafting to open up temporary snaps for the less common snap types. This setup helps make sure your common snaps are easy to snap to. These are just a few tips to kickstart you from being a beginner to being a master.